Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you use Face ID to lock apps on iPhone. To use Face ID to lock apps on iPhone, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, you need to launch the shortcut app and then you need to tap on automation tab at the bottom of the screen. So once you do it, tap the plus icon or the button in the top right hand side corner, then scroll down to the menu of an option and choose the apps option. On the next screen, tap choose to select an app from the list of apps, then tap on the done button. Once you've done it, make sure is open and run immediately are selected, then tap next. So after which you need to start typing lock screen into the text field and select lock screen when it appears in the result below. Then you should see a new automation when apps is opened, lock screen added to the automatic automation list. And your personal automation is now complete and should automatically spring into action the next time you open the choose app option. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.